Prisons also taught me the pain of separation in its cruelest form. While both my father and I were in the same prison, both times, my mother became seriously ill. For days, neither of us could speak to her. We could not sit beside her, hold her hand, or comfort her in her final moments. She left this world while we remained behind prison walls. Today is her birthday, Your Honor, and it reminds me of what she used to say. She used to say in Punjabi, या राह पे आ जाने या वाह पे आ जाने, जिस पे गुजरती है वही जानता है. And she used to also say, जिस तन लागे सो तन जाने. And that led to this, to introduce technology-driven systems, including online appointment facilities for prison visits, structured telephone access, video call services that is now available to every prisoner across Punjab, irrespective of his or her status. Across Punjab, prisons have witnessed significant improvements in visitation facilities, family interaction areas, transport arrangements, and modern audio and video communication systems. At the same time, we have undertaken an ambitious program of infrastructure development, new correctional facilities, additional barracks, specialized Borstal institutions for juvenile offenders, dedicated correctional facilities for women, modern training institutions are being established to reduce overcrowding and create a safer, more dignified environment for everyone living and working inside our prisons. Libraries are being enriched with updated books, educational resources, literature, and learning materials that encourage personal growth, flight of fancy, and intellectual development. I introduced emergency call buttons across Punjab and alarm bells, panic buttons inside prison cells throughout Punjab. Today, every prison cell is equipped with these emergency systems so that no inmate is ever left without a way to call for immediate assistance. And the assistance comes. When someone calls for help, help must arrive. Human life cannot wait behind locked doors. A prison sentence should never mean abandonment, including my opponents, regardless of the offense they've committed, should be deprived of basic respect, of basic dignity, of basic cleanliness, of basic facilities. We have made sanitation, clean washrooms, proper ventilation, better accommodation, and access to essential hygiene supplies a priority. For women inmates in particular, excellencies, hygiene products are not just a privilege. They are a constitutional right and a matter of basic human dignity. For someone behind bars, ladies and gentlemen, a meeting with loved ones is not merely a visit. It is often the reminder that life continues beyond prison walls. My daughter, my youngest daughter, who has just finished her graduation, was only 13 years old then. And I remember every time she used to walk into the meeting room, she used to leave crying. And as a mother, I know that every mother sitting here, every woman sitting here would identify with that. It was a very difficult time.